We're back.
And we're back. So for part 2 of the vitamin story. So we found gummy vitamins. So these are one a day from VitaCrave gummies. And these essentially are comparable to the Centrum ones. They have 100%, in some cases a little over 100% of all the essential vitamin Bs, vitamins A, C, D, biotin, which Jen explained to me is important to get because it helps with the protein digestion and making sure your hair doesn't fall out and that kind of good stuff. So, as good as I look having shaved and got a haircut, I want to hang on to the rest of the hair. So, VitaCrave gummies are delicious. Jen?
These are really good. You take 2 a day. They're my little treat. So I save these for the end of the day after my dinner, after I've done my waters, and I have 2 of these, and it's a little sweet treat.
And to supplement my vitamin gummies, I am also taking from VitaFusion FiberWell gummies. These are, one serving is 5 grams of fiber. It's just a nice, easy way to get fiber in, especially when you're in the mushies phase and you're probably eating things that are more protein oriented. Like I said, I'm having chicken salads, tuna salads, things of that nature. Not anything with real fiber or roughage in it. So these are a fast, easy way to get fiber in my diet. So I don't have to supplement with like a Miralax or a FiberCon.
And you take 2 of these. They're peach, strawberry, and berry. These are the FiberWell weight management so that they don't have sugar or they're very low sugar, but they are made with sugar alcohols. If you have trouble with those, they will make you gassy. You will probably experience some gas if your stomach is sensitive to this. He takes these. I don't take these because I take calcium magnesium supplement, and that helps me. So,
over to Jen.
Now, my uncle, who is a holistic doctor of sorts, he told me that it's very important that we get about 2,000 milligrams of vitamin D.
Not milligrams. IUs, international units.
Okay, IUs. So I went on Amazon. VitaFusion Vitamin D3 gummies. These are awesome. Again, they're part of my sweets at night. They're 2 of them. 2 gummies give you 2,000 IUs, and it's great. Amazon. I think each of these. This was on Amazon, and so was the VitaCraves, like under $10 a bottle. And this will last you for. If you take 2 of these, there's 75 servings. 75 servings. There's 150 of these, so this will last you more than 2 months. So, highly recommend this.
So in full disclosure, I don't know why I take them, but I take them anyway.
But you like them?
But they taste good.
They taste good. Okay, so now on to the non-vitamin related things. I find that, number one, when you start this journey, you're like, there's no way on earth a half cup or a cup is going to keep me full. So, I'm trying to play games with my mind to make things look like it's more.
And it's true, you eat with your eyes first. So if you put a half cup of food on your normal plate, it's going to look lost.
Normal plate. So we bought smaller plate. And so you can see the difference. Yes. Much smaller, and so it looks like we're filling our plate when we put it on here, so we are very happy with our little small plate. Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yep, so this is like your standard 12-inch dinner plate.
And this is our little...
This is our 7-inch.
7-inch, yes, and this is perfect. Also, which I find more importantly, and I love these, tiny silverware. Okay, now compare.
So these are the after.
This is a yes.
Before.
After.
Before.
After.
It
really
might
good,
sound
though,
silly, but you gotta remember, it's very important not to take big bites and not to eat too fast. And I don't take them with me out of the house. Jen does, but they are very useful. So it's definitely a good thing.
I love my Amazon. These are really good though because when you're eating your tiny little half cup of cottage cheese, the spoon is like perfect for it. Whereas if you use the regular spoon, you'd be done in 3 bites. So, highly recommend getting all the little tools to make your world smaller so you can be smaller. Also, we've got little ramekins, 4 and 6 ounce ramekins for our side dishes, so that way we could put some meat on this plate, a little side dish if we do any carbs or like potatoes or something.
Or vegetables.
Or vegetables. You can tell where my mind's at. We can put them in there. Okay, and then, I love these, and Brad has decided that this is a good idea. These are, and where did my little box go?
These are from Ziploc.
No, they're not. That's why I brought the box in here. No, these are not from Ziploc.
They're from Rubbermaid.
Rubbermaid.
As the name is on it.
Yes, these are 1 cup containers. So, throughout our banded life, this is supposed to be all we eat in a meal. So, when we bring stuff to work, we put it in our little 1 cup container. And it's good so that way you don't have to always measure. You just pour it in here and you know if it fits in here, you're good to go.
These are nice. It's got a screw-on lid, so it keeps things from spilling out. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, so it's very easy and handy.
And they're like $5 on Amazon for a pack of 4. Because I couldn't find these in my grocery store.
Yep.
So, 1 cup containers, love it. Sorry, we got a lot of stuff. Here is, I think, our close to the end. Brookstone cottage cheese.
Breakstone.
Okay.
Brookstone's the store.
Okay, 10 grams of protein and 90 calories in this container. I really like this. It's not as good as cream of wheat, but more protein than cream of wheat.
I'll tell you, rediscover cottage cheese again.
Yes.
These are the small curd, 2%.
Oh yes, 2%.
Delicious.
90 grams, 90 calories, 2.5 fat, and 10 protein. Love it. And if you care about sugars, 7 carbs, 5 of them are sugars. Also, Banded Twin. I was watching your video today. You were talking about how you have to take iron. In case you are looking, chewable iron. This is Nature's Plus from Amazon. I wouldn't recommend this unless you are iron deficient because and it's a chewable tablet. And it's not bad tasting, but each one has 27 milligrams of iron, which is much more than a person that doesn't have an iron deficiency needs. So, I bought this thinking, oh, I could just break it into 4. Yeah, it's a little thick to break, but it's small enough that chewing it's not a problem if you need the iron. So if you're looking for a chewable iron supplement, Nature's Plus on Amazon, again, under $10. I don't remember exactly how much. And last, in making my world look pretty, I have my Tervis cup, so I know exactly. I bring one of these into work, 24 ounces for this one. I have a 16 ouncer to bring in my car, and this is how I get on my water in all day. Although, Brad will tell you, I'm not only YouTube challenged, I am water drinking challenged, and I managed to pour some of it on me, so.
That's okay. But they're nice, snap-on lid. It's got a little slide
thing. Oh yeah, it has a
thing.
closer so that it doesn't leak.
It shouldn't spill.
Yeah, so love it.
Yep. And a product that we don't have here, just a last-minute endorsement I want to add is MyFitnessPal.com. I track everything I eat. I track my water consumption. You can also track your exercise on it. I think it's a fantastic tool. There's no charge to use it, MyFitnessPal.com, so I just thought I'd give a plug for them. Any other products for us?
I think that is, did we give you enough products for today?
So before we sign off, though, I just want to give a quick shout-out to Banded Twin, Ashley Grills, Shelly and the Band, Laura Eve, MD Experience 2011, and SB Banded.
Yes, and I still YouTube challenged. Ashley Grills was impossible to find because it's actually Ashley D Grills, but it comes up as Ashley Grills, so it's very confusing. Somebody's going to need to explain YouTube to me one day. So, I guess that's it for this week.
Absolutely.
And it was great. We'll see you next week.
Thanks a lot, you two. Take care.
Bye.